So before you decide to have a dual transfer case installed, or before you install one, make sure the installers know what an oil slinger is. This $4 piece is exactly what was causing the problem, because I didn't have one. Nobody installed this in my truck, which allowed the gear oil to just dump right out everywhere, leaving my transfer case totally empty. And also, you may notice that this has a brand new inchworm adapter plate. I didn't notice this when I pulled the transfer case assembly out the first time, but when it was installed the first time, I have absolute video and picture proof they douched this in. So I had to buy another one from Marlin Crawler. And Marlin Crawler tried to give me one on warranty, and I said, the piece didn't fail. The failure was upon installation. So now I'm double checking everything before I put this back in.